Hi, this is Master Restore 91, and today I'm gonna do an air filter change on the 2022 Chevy Malibu LT 1.5 liter. So what you will need is a drill bit set, or at least like a flat screwdriver. You could buy this on eBay. So what you will need to do is loosen this clamp, this one, and loosen one right there, 2, 3, 4, and 5, and 6. Total 6 screws around the air filter. And like I said, the clamp. So I'm gonna get going. I'm gonna start loosening first the clamp. It's also a flat screwdriver. The other one is kind of like a Phillips screw, but you could, I don't know if you could see that, you could also use a flat screwdriver. So I'm gonna get going. Okay, now I'm gonna loosen the clamp. You see the little square right here, so make sure when you put it back it lines up to this square. So it's easy, just pull it out like that, move it to the side. You don't have to loosen the bottom part, just move it to the side. And now I'm gonna loosen the 6 screws that I set around the air filter. So I'm gonna start doing it. Make sure not to drop all the screw. Take your time. Remember to loosen left side. So righty tighty, lefty loosey. So go counterclockwise when you're gonna loosen the screw. Alright, I took the screw already, so you won't lose it. Just place it over here on top right here. So onto the other one, onto the other screws. Okay, so I already loosened the 6 bolts. They're over there. They're right there. So now I'm gonna remove the air filter housing carefully. So first what you do, you slide it out. I don't know if you could see the teeth or the right there. You slide it out upwards. See, right there. Just slide up. And then off it goes, but be careful because it's attached to the mass airflow sensor. So just be careful because the cable's still attached. So this is the original filter. I haven't changed it, so I'm gonna start putting the new one in. See how dirty it looks. So it's probably gonna be a little bit of debris, but I'm gonna clean it out with a paper towel, and then on we go. to put on the new air filter, but look at how dirty it looks. On to the new one. Okay, I already cleaned it as much as I can. So now I'm gonna install the new air filter. Slight different size, so make sure to match it. But it looks the same size, just different color. That one's like orange and this one's black. So now what you do is just like a puzzle, make sure it fits in perfectly. Okay, so now I matched it. If it looks perfectly, it goes in. So now time to put it back, but like I said, be careful with these, with the mass airflow sensor. So now what you have to do is line up the holes and put the screws back. Oh wait, you have to, forgot one thing. You have to slide it in first. So you slide it in. Okay, so now you slide it upward. So it's already in. You can see right here and right here. So it's already in. Now you have to line up the holes. Make sure the holes lined up. See? They're all lined up. See? They're all lined up. So now I'm gonna put the screws back. I recommend always use if you could use one of these flexible magnets. Let's say if you're gonna take out a screw, because you don't want to drop a screw and then it's gonna take more longer. So make sure you get a flexible screw. And the cool thing about this one, it has a light, and I don't think the light works. I think it needs new batteries, but also has like a little handle so you could grab on. So see, so you could grab the screw or a bolt that falls. So it's magnetic. You just press it here. This is for the light. Might need new batteries, like I said. So yeah. So see, it's magnetic. It also has a hand, so I could grab it. See, it grabs it. So in case you lose it, you could buy this in O'Reilly's or AutoZone. I think I bought this one in O'Reilly's. So now I'm gonna start screwing everything in, and I'm gonna show you guys how to reset the air filter. Usually you replace the air filter like every 30,000 miles. That's what I remember reading in the owner's manual. So every 30,000 miles is better to renew the air filter. Okay, I already installed the 6 screws and already lined this one up. Don't over tighten it, just do it as much as you can. Make sure it wraps around the cabin air filter on the bottom too, because you could only get one side and you might not get the bottom side. So everything's already tight. So now I'm gonna restart the air filter maintenance. So I'm gonna restart it right now, and well, this is gonna be thrown away since we're not gonna use it no more. And like I said, always use a magnet just in case you don't want to drop a screw and then you'll be missing a screw. So now I'm just gonna put this inside and throw it away. And right now I'm gonna reset the air filter. Okay, so what you do is press the right hand side right here and go to the vehicle. I just changed the oil filter and the oil. I already set it up to 100. You can watch on my other YouTube video how to change the oil on the same vehicle. So you scroll down, you see the air filter light. Press the check mark right here in the middle and hold it and press reset. Press the check mark again. Okay, now you're gonna put yes to reset the air filter. You press the check mark. Now it says 100%. So right now it's already 100%. Now you have to change it every 30,000 miles. Always count how many mileage you have. So count 30,000. So it'll be like around 60,000 miles. I'm gonna have to change the air filter. So now I have 100% on the air filter and 100% on oil. So everything's basically 100%. So thank you for watching my videos. Please don't forget to like and subscribe and give a thumbs up so you won't miss on my other videos, because I'm gonna still keep on making more videos. So thanks for watching. See you in the next video.